Good morning, guys. We are going to Bali. We are leaving from the house now and waiting for the cab. I'll see you at the airport. Super excited. We are going for like more than 2 weeks, almost 16 to 17 days. So we'll be there during Christmas and New Year. I'll see you at the airport. And this is what I'm wearing today. Super comfy set. I mean, I always end up wearing thoda sa tight या छोटा कपड़ा. But this time it's like a 10 to 11 hours of flight, so I thought of wearing something comfortable. और लास्ट टाइम फुकेत से आने के टाइम मैंने शॉर्ट्स पहना था, बहुत ही अनकम्फर्टेबल कपड़े पहने थे एंड आई वॉज लाइक शिवरिंग इन द फ्लाइट. सो दिस इज़ सुपर कम्फी. बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. वी आर ट्रैवलिंग बाय सिंगापुर एयरलाइंस, आवर फेवरेट एयरलाइन. We just got back from Singapore like last month and again we are going via Singapore. We love the airport. We are going to stay some time there. We have a long flight now, like around 6 hours to Singapore. Then we have layovers and उसके बाद हम जा रहे हैं Bali.
This thing like you can carry only one.
So we are done with the alcohol shopping. For the first time we bought tequila. So we are just upgrading, and also we are always on Jägermeister, you know that. But this time we are trying tequila because after a lot of research we have come to know that tequila is the most safest. Its alcohol is not good anyways, but tequila से सबसे कम मतलब सबसे अच्छा होता है और सबसे कम effect होता है. I mean you know what I mean, right? Singapore Airlines and we had the most comfortable flight ever and delicious food ever. Singapore Airlines rocks in this case. इतना comfortable seating था, इतना अच्छा space था, like so comfortable. So we reached the airport and we are just about to board the flight. We absolutely have no time. So finally we have reached Bali. We have cleared the immigration. There was a little hitch because हम लोगों का electronics visa काम नहीं कर रहा था. But we'll get on to that later. So we are here. Good morning, guys. अभी सुबह सुबह हम उठे हैं. Like we reached at 3:30 यहाँ पे. 4 बजे तक हम सोए थे. अभी 9 बजे हम उठ गए, 9 साढ़े 9 बजे. Because we have to do our breakfast.
चल भाई चल.
And now we are going for our breakfast. It's raining here.
Sorry guys, I directly moved into vlog.
It is raining and we are so sleepy. But we'll still go for breakfast because हम लोगों ने अच्छे से खाया नहीं रात भर. So we are going for the breakfast. I'll show you the penthouse where we are staying later. It's amazing, but right now we are low in energy. It looks so beautiful in rains. I mean, this is all lush green with beautiful weather, and this pool is so good. The infinity pool. They have another pool down, so it gives you the vibe of, you know, rainforest. This is the entrance of our penthouse. This is our bedroom, which is huge, surrounded by all the greeneries. So we have a deck here which opens from the living room. Huge terrace deck with a lounge, and we have a TV here. There's a bed, and this is the view from our room, and that is the glass terrace. It's like a see-through terrace. Right now it's raining, but later on we'll show you. And from here, so this entire room is covered, like surrounded by windows, glasses, so ample of lights, as you can see. So it feels like we are sleeping surrounded by nature. Hi guys, we just finished our breakfast and we have come to our penthouse. It is absolutely breathtaking. This is the highest category in this resort, giving that Ubud vibe, because Ubud is all about forest, rainforest, nature, greenery, and if it's raining it's all the more beautiful because, you know, rainforest vibe, and it's looking breathtaking. It is huge, massive, and you're just in the middle of the nature. There's no Wi-Fi. There is Wi-Fi in the entire resort, but Wi-Fi is not working in our penthouse, which is all the more good. We are not connected to the world. We are just surrounded by nature. I'll just give you the penthouse tour now. We have a kitchen here. This is the living room, and the dining table is already set. As you can see, there's so much there's a detox water here. It's all set, and this is the entire living room. I'm going outside, but see how huge the living room is. Absolutely aesthetically pleasing. And this is the sitting area, and as you go out, this is our terrace. It's just one terrace. We have another one from the washroom. This is our lounging space. We'll lounge here, admiring the beauty of the nature. It's raining, you can see, but it's surrounded by greenery. And that is our bedroom. And from bedroom we are going to the washroom now, and washroom itself is so huge. This is like, we have like huge dressing area. You can see this is all mirror wardrobes. Everything is in here, bathrobe, and everything is here, like, you know, whatever you get in a 5-star hotel. Ample of space, so the penthouse looks so neat and clean all the time. This is the dressing vanity area. Now I'm going to the best part. Look at how huge the washroom is. His and hers. There are so many amenities here. This is the toilet and the shower area. But the best part is this. This is totally Bali vibe, Ubud vibe. Absolutely stunning, breathtaking bathtub opening to this amazing sun deck. And we have our own sun beds here overlooking the nature. I'm not going out because it's raining now, but this is the view. The entrance of the house, and this is from where we will enter the living room. We have a kitchen here and the coffee machine. We have a fridge down below, and this is the dining space. Hello guys, we spent some time in the penthouse and now we are going to the gym, and this is the pool. So today we are in the resort only, and we are going to the gym. Look at these cuties.